There we go. So now it hurts us, and we kill it, and this thing heals us. Yay, there we go. We can climb back out. Okay, hello everybody, my name is Jemmy, and today I will be giving you a brief overview on the Sandbox. And today we're going to be looking at the beginner tutorial of the Sandbox. The beginner tutorial is, one second, let me bring it up. So the beginner tutorials is one section inside of the Sandbox guidelines, and it is down here. The link for this website will be in the description, so if you want to go look at it, then you can. Inside of the tutorials section, we have the beginner tutorials, the medium tutorials, and the advanced tutorials. Right now, we will be doing the beginner one, and we will do the door and key system, moving platforms, blocks that damage/kill you, displaying external NFTs, triggering a trigger victory, killing a boss, quest setup from start to finish, and collecting objects to heal or damage. We're going to be skipping spawn points and teleporting because I don't have too much information on that yet, but I will try to make that as soon as possible. But anyways, I will show you, one second, let OBS come in. Okay, I will show you what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to hop into my pre-made, how do you call it, pre-made, not data set, but why did I say data set? Pre-made game, and this is kind of what we're going to be doing. So we start off here, and we have a quest, open the door, right? So open the door, and the quest description is collect the key and open the door. Right now the door might look opened, but it's actually not. You can't walk through it, so you have to collect this key first, like so, and now you can walk through it. And after that, a new quest comes up, collect the keys, but we're not there yet. This one is the moving platform, where the platform moves around, and you can use this for your parkour or obby games that there's moving platforms. And you can even use that as an elevator to make it go like up or down. You can make it go sideways, anywhere you like. And this one is blocks that damages/kill you. So I made it so that this lava pit right here, it doesn't insta kill you, but it makes it so that it takes 25 HP. So let's go in it, and there we go. You can see our HP decreased by 25. But yeah, that is the blocks that damage/kill you. Another one is that some people was wondering if like we could do it with water, if like they could drown in water. Well, you can use this method and make the water take like damage you by 2 or 1, depending on how much time you're in the water. But yeah, you can use this method for that too. And the next one is displaying external NFTs. So this one is very handy when you want to have an NFT gallery. If you were to like have any art pieces you want to show inside of your land, then you can use this method to display the NFTs. And then this one is for like an adventure game where there's a thing that hurts you, and then there's another one that heals you. So you can see the healer, and the void attacks you. So yeah, so it hurts you like so, and this healer right here gives you your HP back by 5, like so. And now we're at the quest where it says grab all the silver keys. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we need to grab all of them. Again, this could be used for an adventure/puzzle game. You can combine this one with the moving platform one to make it more interesting. But yeah, that is the quest. And then the last one is to kill a boss and have it finished. So killing a boss will trigger a victory. So here's the boss, and then kill it like so, like there, and then victory. And here is all of the HUDs popping up. And yeah, that is what we're gonna be creating today. Anyways, let's get started. Let me open my Google so I can see what we need to do. For some reason, my Sandbox keeps on disappearing every time I open a new screen, so I'm gonna have to wait with OBS a little bit. There we go. And let's click create new, and I will name this one beginner Sandbox. like so. You can name it whatever you want. I will have the theme as empty and the land size to be 1 by 1. Okay, once we click create, it should appear something like this. What I would recommend to do right now is I would just go into one of the corners, like this one, and then I will just get a transparent block. Here, let me clear my inventory really quick so we can start off together. Alright, so first what we want to search up for is, by the way, if you open an inventory, you need to click L. The first thing we need to search up is transparent, trans, or just trans in general. 1 second. Sorry. Trans, white block transparent, put that in our first slot. Another one is how you call it, grass block, and I'll put in my 4th slot because those are on my mouse, and so we need a grass block because it can be used as a building block, and sometimes we destroy the ground, so we need to use the grass to patch it back up. Grass 1 is the same one as this one, and another one we need to use is the door. So door, I recommend the desert building door as it's not as confusing as these two. The large space door is kind of glitchy, but the wooden door, I think it's kind of different too. So just grab the desert building door and then grab some keys. So gold, search for gold, grab the gold key in your 3rd slot, and then search up silver and put the silver key in your 5th slot. After this, we will need 2 mobs, I'm pretty sure, but before that we need lava. Okay, and put that in your 7th slot. And in your 6th slot, what you want to put in is your carpet. So search up carpet, and you can choose any of them. I will choose the orange one because it looks better, or it looks good. And once we did this, the rest we need is a ladder. So get some ladders, and I would use the wooden ladder. After that, we will just need the 2 enemies, and then we need the final boss, but we can add that in later. So let's have the enemies. So we need the void, right? So let's put the void in there, and we need the healer, which is called a victory trigger, and put that in our last slot. Now we have our hotbar filled up, and we will for the final boss we will add it in later. So now the second thing we want to do is, this might be a bit tedious, but what you want to do is you want to just count the squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then divide it right there. 1, 2. Another way to do this is to just click on square right here and set it to width height to 1 and the depth to 10. And now what we want to do is we want to just put it into there, and then after that we put a grass block like so. Oh wait, I forgot, it fills it in, so we gotta find something else. I'll just replace the grass block with some brick. Okay, there. So now we just we repeat this process like so. 1, 2, 3. How about let's repeat this. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We repeat this 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then keep on switching. 5, 6. Oops, sorry. 6, 7. There. Once we have all 7 that we're gonna use, click on free again right here, and then now go to the edge of the block. So pretend this is like the first section, right? Go to this one right here. No, actually go to this one right here, and then just drag it out. I don't think how long you drag it out matters, but if you keep it even, that is also great. So we drag it like so. There we go. We just want to divide into small sections like so. There we go. And now how we make sure it's all even with each other is just draw a line from here and make sure that all the edges are touching it like so. And if they are, then you know that they're even. You don't have to do this part, but what I want to do is I would just go over this one more time like so to make it like even with each other. Okay, and then I would usually go one more no, sorry, 2 more to make it 3 blocks high so the players can't jump over it as easily. But of course, this is just dividing into sections, so you don't have to do this. A better way to do it is just to drag it all, like so. And there we go. I'll just have it up to 2, so that would be a lot easier. Okay, there we go. And once we have all our sections that we need to use, we can start off by getting the door. But before that, we need to put in our spawn point to make it a little closer. Okay. Let's put it in somewhere like here. There, okay. Now, inside of this first section, what we want is we want a door with a key, right? So let's put our door in. It might be sideways at first, but that's okay. Place it like right there, and then get our moving tool. Not the moving tool. Get the rotating tool, and then rotate it. Hold shift and rotate, like so. And once this doorknob is facing our way, you know you have it correctly. And put it somewhere in the middle. Grab the golden key and put it in front, like so. I will move the spawn point a little bit. Okay, there we go. And now once we did this, we will go into rules right here, and then we will add quest. Oh no, first turn on quest, add quest, and let's call this door. No, we're just open door, like so. And then say collect gold key and open the door. Okay, like so. And once we did this, we're gonna leave this at auto unlock, auto launch. Counter type will be collected objects. The tag will be gold. Amount is 1. And send message is open, like so. Open, and the message will be open. Okay. Now once we did this, we'll just close that up, and we will go into the golden key again. And we'll scroll down here. We're gonna add a tag that says golden or gold. And once we did this, we will go into the door, and in here, message required, we will, instead of interact, we will have open. So open. There we go. And now it should work. So we can't walk through it yet. And then we grab the key. Oh, I forgot something. We need to make the key. We need to make the key into the keys component to collectible, so we can collect it. There we go, and collected. And there we go. Now we can walk through the door, as easy as that. And now let's move on to the second one. The second one is moving platforms. So let's bring out our carpet, and let's put it right somewhere in the middle. There we go. And once we did that, we will just click on our moving tool, and we will move it up a bit so we can jump on it around 1 block high. Okay, and let's change the behavior to basic platform, and now it will move side to side. Of course, you can have it to like a Y, which is, I'm pretty sure how high it is, right? Yeah, so you can make it like an escalator, like so. The wait duration is how long does it wait from here. So it waits 3 seconds and then goes there, wait 3 seconds, come back down. I'll extend this to 2, and the platform speed is how fast it goes. Right now it's on 9.1. I will lower that to 5, and let's try this out. Okay, so now you can see the platform is moving up and down. You can use this as an escalator or something. Oops, 1 second. If it moves up and down, there's of course the sandbox is still in beta, so it's kind of glitchy, but it will sometimes pull you off of the platform, so you gotta be careful about that. Once this thing is done, I will show you an example. I made an elevator kind of like this, but I have some safety precautions so it wouldn't make me fall. I will show you that at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. But anyways, that is a moving platform, and let's move on to the next one. So the next one is blocks that damage / kill you. So what we want to do right now is we want to dig a hole that is 2 blocks deep. So 1, 2, like so. And then at the bottom layer, we fill in with lava. And once we did this, we should have just a trench of lava. Go to global parameters, go to controller, components, and then damaging blocks, click add, and search lava. Click on lava and blocks that damage. The block damage, I will set this to 50 so it kind of kills fast. Again, if you want to like have a platformer, then I would recommend setting it as to 100 so you can kill extra fast. But I set it as 50 for now because I just want to show you that you can have it so that it takes like 50 damage and then 50 damage, or you can have it 100. Again, let me show you. So here's the pit of lava. I will jump in it. As you can see, it takes 2 ticks for me to die. And yeah, you can set it to 100 ticks, 1 tick, or anything you want. But yeah, that is how to make blocks that damage or kill you. Now let's move on to the next one, which is displaying external NFTs. Right now we need a little inventory switch, so click L, drag the door out, drag the key out, we don't need the carpet anymore, and then just shove over everything, so put it like so, move over everything. Now we have 3 empty slots, which is perfect, so we need the billboard, so search up billboard and get the billboard frame, put that on slot number 8, then get the skeleton warrior, so search up skeleton and get the skeleton warrior with the little power icon. And once we did this, we should have enough for everything we're gonna do. So now let's bring in the billboard. Again, there is no middle, I'm pretty sure. Oh, or is there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the middle. So we do have a middle. This one is the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, right here's the middle. So build a 2x2 right here, and then just stick the billboard on it. It doesn't matter if it's crooked a little bit. We'll get the rotate tool, and you'll just rotate it. 1, 2, like so, and then get the green axis, which is what axis is this? It's the Y rotation axis. And there we go. You have now created a billboard. If it's glitching like this, what we want to do is we just move it forward just a bit, like so. So now it's not too glitching, or not glitchy. There we go. And we can move it down just a bit. Okay, once we have it like this, what we want to do is we want to scroll down to image display right here. We want to click out of it and add component, NFT image. And now here comes a complicated part. It's not too complicated, but whoops. Here. So what we want to do is we want to go into Google or your search engine, and we want to do OpenSea.io, like so. And once we did this, we will click on Explore right here, and there's going to be a bunch of art that we can use. Let me scroll down. There is a bunch of art. Let me see what I want. Last time it was a dog, so I'll just get this pig because it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'll grab this pig. And what we want to do when we click into the art piece is we want to go to this share icon right here, click on share, click copy link right here, and once it says link copied, go back into the sandbox. Again, OBS is having some problem with the sandbox, but anyways, once we're back in here, we will go into the billboard and we'll go asset URL, click on that, and then control V the URL in here. Once you did that, click validate, and it will get you the image like so. And now once the pig image is here, click continue, and scale mode, we will change that to fit to height, and tab. Tab. There we go, and now let's run back there, and the pig should be there. Yay. So here we have the pig with the balloon. Yeah, so this is how to display external NFTs to use for your NFT gallery. Let's move on to the next one, which is trigger victory killing a boss. Let's leave that to the end because we don't want to have victory yet. And let's move on to the next one. Quest setup from start to finish. Okay, so let's have the quest. So the quest is to have to collect all the silver keys. So we're gonna build a little parkour here. So we have like this, one there, 1, 2 here, 1, 2, just like so. And once you did this, we will just can you make that jump? I'm pretty sure you can. We will put keys on top. Shift will make it lock onto a block like so. So hold shift in place, and then we will grab the selector tool, and we will just grab all of the keys. Scroll down here to add components, add collectible, and inside of the tag we're gonna put in silver, like so. Display name we're gonna change to silver key, and we leave behavior at none. Then let's go back into rules, add quest, and we'll name this one collect the keys, like so. And in the description we're gonna go grab all of the silver keys. And auto unlock we will put it as required message, and the message is open. So this one, so that this quest will launch after we open the door, or else there's just going to be a bunch of quests that just launch in the beginning, which we do not want. So we will make this one after they completed the first one. And after that we will go to quest type, select as counter type collected objects. The tag will be silver, amount is 3, and auto completion is yes. Send message. It's a bit glitchy as I said earlier because it's still in beta. So if something happens like this where you can't reach the message, then just try it again and it should work. Okay, and now let's send the message as collect. So add that. If you don't have it, then just click add collect and you should be good. Once we are done with this, we'll close this up and we will play. So play is tab again. So right now we only have one quest, so it's just open the door, click gold key and open the door, click this and it'll open. Another one is, and then you can see that it just popped up, grab all of the silver keys. So let's grab all the silver keys like so, and you can see it is going up. The silver keys getting thing is going up. Oh, I can't seem to parkour today. Okay, then we'll try again. Imagine I can't do this. There you go. So once you got all 3, it will complete the quest. And now let's move on to the next to last one, which is to have things that damage and heal you. So the victory trigger will heal you, and the void will hurt you. So let's build a barrier here so they can't escape. And let's put a ladder on the outside and inside. So outside ladder, turn it around like so. Now we have 2 ladders, and we will highlight both of the ladders. Make sure you don't highlight anything else, and add component and climbable, so now you can climb them. And now let's grab these 2 and we will move them to the center. We will now look at the void, and instead of having the behavior as void, we will have it as a melee enemy, so now it will hurt you. And we will have the button. Oh wait, not button, sorry. Let's go back to the void really quickly. We want to add the component as health so we can actually kill it. I will set this to where is it, 5, or I'll just type it in 5, and so that we can one-shot it. And then here the melee enemy, not the melee enemy, the healer, we will have the behavior as none, and we will have the component as wait, never mind, we want the behavior as healer. So the walking speed to 0, and we want the component to be, we don't actually need the component because we're not going to kill this thing. So if we were to tab again, we should be able to go and get hurt. Sounds very wrong, but yeah. Now the ladder should be climbable. Hey, there we go. So now it hurts us and we kill it, and this thing heals us. Yay, there we go. We can climb back out. Okay, perfect. So once we did this, we're gonna go to the final boss, which is a skeleton. So put it in like so, and let's create a little barrier, like the same thing we did over there. Okay. Oh, why is the like at the end not like good? It's okay. I'll just replace it. Oh, it is good. It's just transparent. Okay. So once we did this, oh no. Okay. Once we did this, we're just going to highlight the skeleton. We're gonna put the behavior as melee enemy. We're gonna put the health at 50. And we're gonna click on edit logic, and we will go can block attack to true. This means it can block our hit when we want to hit it. Let's make the attack range a bit further so it can be more powerful. That is it. We can also add one more component, which is victory, and we will say on death, and it will have victory. So tab. Now let's complete the first one, which is open the door. Okay, and then opens the door. The second one is to just ride this thing. Okay, and just die from the lava then. Alright, so once we did this, we will go to the final boss. I don't know why I did those three, but let's go back to the final boss. So let's climb the ladders. Oh, I made the ladders not climbable, so let's make it climbable. Not behaviors, add component, climbable, and let's just run to the skeleton. Okay. There we go. Oh, it's a little glitchy, but okay, there we go. Now you can see that the skeleton can attack pretty far, so if we were to try to hide in the corner, I think the skeleton can still reach us. Yeah, it can still reach us, definitely. So it is more powerful, and if we try to attack it normally, let me be down there. Okay, if we try to attack it normally, they block all our hits, so what we need to do is we need to get a perfect parry, like so, and then after that we can do some damage to it. Okay, there we go. KO, and then we win. So that is how to do the beginner tutorials. Again, I will update you if I know how to do the teleporting, but anyways, I hope you all have a good day, and that is it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye!